What if you could work across multiple networks without risking sensitive data moving between them? In this episode of Atea eTalks, Peter, Patrick and Sara Hockney from Belkin take a closer look at secure KVM and why it matters more than ever.
So you don't want private or sensitive information moving from your secure network to an open network.
For organizations working with classified, financial or sensitive information, this is about more than convenience.
What a secure KVM does is it maintains that air gap and that physical space, but contains it into a hardware product.
This means fewer screens, fewer keyboards, less clutter, but without compromising security.
Because you have a mouse and a keyboard and they are secured, then you use them on all the devices.
Yes. So who is it really for? And when does a secure KVM become a smart investment?
So mainly government defense, kind of military industries or military organizations, but also police departments. But any other customer that is using different networks with different varying levels of security. So for example, in finance, in the banking industry.
Finance, banking.
Healthcare.
Listen to the full episode on atea.se or wherever you get your podcasts.